What's going on, guys, and welcome into Chapter 13, Lesson 1. Today we are working on finding the perimeter, okay? So, as you go through these slides, you will see. All right, so on slide number 2, you have 2 videos that I want you to watch, okay? So make sure you're watching those. On slide number 3, all right, it tells you what the perimeter is, which is the distance around the outside of a figure or shape. You can estimate and measure a perimeter. All right, so estimate means to make an educated guess. It means to look at something and take a guess before you figure out exactly what it is. Okay. So when you look at the square, you got to make an estimate. Oh, I think it's 2 inches. I think it's 3 inches, maybe even 4. And then you actually measure it to figure out what the actual answer is. All right. So then when we go into slide number 4, all right, that is where you will, 1, estimate the perimeter in centimeters of a piece of notebook paper. So you're going to get out a regular piece of notebook paper. And I want you to estimate in centimeters what you think, how long you think, or wide. I want you to estimate in centimeters the perimeter, so the outside of the notebook paper. Okay, record the results in the table below. So as you'll see in this table, you have piece of notebook paper, math book, desktop, chalkboard, or whiteboard. Now, that's just estimates, okay? You can kind of, because I know we're not in class, so you don't really have a desktop, you can use your table that you're working on. The chalkboard or whiteboard, that could be maybe your computer, okay? And then use a centimeter ruler, so just a regular ruler that has inches and centimeters to find the perimeter, okay? So I want you guys to do that. I will see you, and then when you get to slide 5, you'll see you have an interactive ruler. Okay, so you will move the ruler around to measure the perimeter of this square. Okay, so I want you guys to work on that. And then when you click here, you see how I'm doing that? So when you look at the ruler and you see this part up here that sticks up and it goes into a crosshair like that, you click and you can rotate the ruler, okay? So make sure you're doing that. And I will see you guys back on slide number 6, okay? So work through all that. If you need to refer back to this video, please do it. And I will see you guys back on slide number 6.